Today, I want to do a quick update on the Empire unit that we installed previously in another video. So we just turned on the car. Everything is fully up, loaded, and ready to go. Or is it? Because let's shift it to drive. And now the car automatically goes into the parking modes because the CAN bus immobilizer is installed. What I found out is that you can actually disable it while using your controls or whatever. So let me disable it right now. In the previous video, I thought I have to turn off the car and disable it, but apparently you can do it while the car is on. So let me do it right now, off the screen. So there we go. Now the car immobilizer is off for you to drive it as normal. So let me shift it to drive. And now I can drive the car as normal. It won't go back into parking mode. I'm going to drive really slow. And then we'll take it back. Putting it in parking modes. So yeah, you can disable the immobilizer while the car is on, and that's very convenient. That way you don't have to turn on and off or off and on. Hopefully this update helps you decide whether this CAN bus immobilizer is right for you. I am pretty sure all other CAN bus immobilizer works the same way. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.